오늘은 7월 3일 수요일이고요. 7월 4일인 내일이 미국 독립기념일이에요. 그래서 루이스 씨는 오늘 3시면 이제 회사가 끝나고 내일 목요일이 공휴일인데 루이스 씨 회사는 금요일 날도 징검다리 연휴라서 쉬고요. 그래서 목금토일 4일 동안 또 연휴가 됐어요. 일단 오늘 루이스 씨가 3시에 끝나서 저희가 파리에 있는 동안 개봉한 토이스토리4를 만나서 보기로 했고요. 지금 극장 앞에 다 왔습니다. 루이스 씨가 먼저 도착을 할까요? 제가 먼저 도착을 할까요? 어디 봅시다. 저기 루이스 온다. 아니, 저렇게 많은 사람 중에 어떻게 제 눈에 한눈에 루이스 씨가 보였을까요? 저 멀리 핑크색 셔츠 입은 사람이 루이스 씨인데 저기 저렇게 멀리 있는데 한눈에 딱 보였어요. 와, 진짜 대단하다. 나도 진짜 어떻게 저게 한눈에 보였지? 토이스토리4 3시 10분 영화 온다. Good, how are you? 토이스토리 J45, okay.
Team 40 is your total. Would you like to make a donation?
Yep. Let's go. Yay. 지금 들어왔고요. 매점에서 팝콘을 먼저 사겠습니다. Medium popcorn? 가자. Number 2. Where's the other 2? The other 2.
안녕하세요. 저는 로사입니다. Toy Story 4 was a movie we saw a few days ago. Rosa really likes the Toy Story franchise, but she particularly liked this character Forky. So, in the interest of making Forky, we decided to get a creativity set. So as you can see, you can make Forky, Bunny and Ducky, and also Buzz. So today we're gonna go make our own versions. Yay! Okay, so here's what we have. We have all the pieces here. This was incredibly difficult to find. We had to go to several stores. They sold out in Manhattan, and the only one that was available was in Brooklyn. So we had to put in a call to reserve it. We got it, and now it's ours. It's right here. So what you have is you can make your own Forky. That's the big one. You have the googly eyes, the pipe cleaner. You have a sheriff's badge for a sticker. We have the pom-poms to make Bunny and Ducky. And we have a sticker for Buzz Lightyear. So let's take a look. So here we're going to open it. So let's see. It opens like this. One flap. And here's all the items. So little pom-poms. And here's the instruction set in case I get lost. Okay, so after our unboxing, we have all the items here. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you. Here's Forky's body. As you can see, the indentations for the eyes. Here are the wax sticks for Forky's eyebrows and mouth. What we have here is the foam sticker set for Buzz Lightyear. So there's that. Okay. We have some dough to stick to Forky's feet. So we have some glue. As you can see, we have the glue. Here's a pipe cleaner. These are the hands for Forky, his hands and his arms. We have here is the cutouts for Bunny and Ducky's mouth and ears. So there you go. The sheriff's badge sticker. These are popsicle sticks for Forky's feet. We have some extra popsicle sticks, which I'm not sure I'm going to be using. Here's some googly eyes. Some googly eyes for Forky. And here are some pom-poms. Pom-poms for Bunny and Ducky's bodies. Okay, so let's see what we can make. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make Forky because his takes a lot longer. So let's try that out. So here's my fork and here are my googly eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. I was not aware. These are the googly eyes for Bucky and Dunny. This already has adhesive on it. So you just go like this. Pretty easy, I think. Yeah, it's in there. The other one. There we go. Just like that. Okay, so there we go. Just like that. Now we have to cut a little piece of this wax stick. So let me just measure it. Okay, I think here is good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now. Okay, stuck in there. Okay, cool. So there's his eyebrows right there. Now his mouth. Okay, let's do his mouth. Beep. All right, let's see. He has to do this. I'll do him with, yeah, a smile. Okay, cool. And then, let's see, I'll cut here. Okay. He's yelling something. Woody, don't let go, or something. It's not a smile, but it's okay. All right, so now the other things. His arms. There's a pipe cleaner. So what I'm gonna do is just this. I'll wrap it around, like they did in the movie. Okay, I got this done. Yay! Okay. The hands here. Okay, bending, and then I have to make the fingers up through here. Okay. Okay. So I got Forky already. So I thought it was going to be a little difficult with the hands, but he's good. So now we're going to get for the feet. Okay? We get the dough. Okay. Pull it out. So it's very soft, as you can tell. So we're going to roll up the dough. And now I'm going to go put Forky inside the dough. And then build it up really nicely, and there you go. So I think it looks good. So there, the sticker, yes, the rainbow sticker. We have the rainbow sticker part of the set. So we're finally gonna use the glue to use for this. Just like that, he's good to go. Ah, he's done. As you can see, he's got everything he needs. The next one is Bunny and Ducky. So if you've seen Toy Story 4, they're the carnival toys that are stuck together. So let's start with them. All right, so the first thing is the ears. I'm gonna put them out, put the ears out. All right, so first I'm gonna put the mouth. Spread it out, then put it maybe here. Yeah, put it here. Okay. So we have the eyes. So the eyes are really close to the mouth, like this. Okay, another one here. Okay, they're good, they're good. I think they're fine. So far it's so good. Alright, so we got to get the ears. I'll show the ears right here. I think, yeah, maybe for the best. You know what, let me put the body first. So the body. Okay, and then, so it'll dry soon. So far he looks good, right? Looks good. Now I'm gonna do Ducky. So ducky has 2 feet. This here, one here. Okay. Here's ducky. As you can see, he looks good. So let's put the ears on for this guy, for Bunny. Okay, so the glue, it's gonna be here. And now I'm gonna put it like this. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. Okay. Now I'm gonna glue them together because they're inseparable. So they're gonna lie down for a little bit, but I think this is fine. Okay. The ears are a little weird, but it's okay. 괜찮아? 괜찮아요? So now we have the last thing is the sticker set. So Buzz's sticker set. So let's try this. So, and Buzz is done. Okay. So there's everything. So we made Forky, we made Bunny and Ducky, we made Buzz Lightyear. So I hope you enjoyed this video. 재밌었어요. 오늘은 여기까지예요. Forky 만들기 재밌었어요? 좋아요 눌러주세요. 구독도 눌러주세요. 안녕.